Hey, it's Groot. Wrote a song about boobs, so should write a song about butts. I'm just sitting here in chat, watching people talk about all this and that. I think I may just fall asleep. Sometimes the conversation's just like counting sheep, but then someone comes in and wants to share some skin. That's when I pop back in to see what they are saying. And that's when I get the booty train. The booty train. Choo-choo! I'm reading through this one DM. I'm pretty certain that we are only friends. Sometimes I can't gauge where they're at, 'cause like the group, the chat is all about this and that. But then they say they're drunk, or tired, or in a funk. I say I'll do my best to ease all of their pain. And that's when I get that booty train. Their booty train.